I'll tell you what, we're doing a lot of videos at the minute. There's lots of product coming out and I've still got more videos to do yet. Today's new product, another product from Qtx, and it's another LED bar. But again, this one is slightly different and it has caught my eye. One thing, I like the name, the Pixelator. Yeah, it sounds exciting, doesn't it? Right, this video will be dead quick because it's just another LED bar, but it does have a little twist to the old LED bar thing. See that? Right, it's like half a tube. Yep. So it's not a flat panel bar. Right, I'll run through the specs because there isn't a lot of them. It's a 1 meter bar. It's got 144 50/50 SMD RGB LEDs, and it's going to create patterns, and it's got loads of patterns built-in programs that you can speed up, you can slow down, and you can make them flash as well and make them strobe, all via the menu. It's got a beam angle of 90 degrees. This isn't going to flood an area with colour. No, it's more of an eye candy effect. Why has it caught my eye? Well, one, the price. Again, I can't believe the price of some of these things at the minute. Pricing on some of this stuff, it just seems to be coming down and down and down and down and down as the technology seems to be becoming more affordable. But what has caught my eye is obviously the design of it being like a half tube. Don't know whether you can see that there. Yep. And we've had one or two people said, because we've done a few reviews on a few buttons lately, and they all go, oh, the power plugs are on the wrong side, or the DMX in and out's on the wrong side. And you know what? You've got a point, but it's got to go somewhere. Well, this one, the power in and out, and the DMX in and out is on the back, which will really help when you come to mount it onto a pole, because you'll be able to hide your cable in behind it. So here I've got PowerCon in, then I've got XLR in, XLR out on 3-pin for DMX, and then if I wanted to do power linking, I would have to go in here and then come back down, because a lot of people like to mount this type of effect onto a speaker pole or onto a lighting pole like so. And yeah, and if the wire's not coming out of here, that's so much better for cable management. So looking at the back of that, as you can see, it is slightly different. And that's what caught my eye. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because somebody actually mentioned in one of my videos, why do they always have the power cables on the side? And to be honest with you, I had to think about that, and they've got to go somewhere, and sometimes it'll be convenient to have it on the back, and then other times it won't. You know, if you have that standard LED bar, and you're going to try and mount it to a flush mount to a wall, you can't get the IECs in and out the back. You could use this. This would mount very nicely on a wall, and the cable management would work really, really well. So I just wanted to share this with you. I'll flick through a few of the programs. I'm not going to go through them all because basically there's just tons of them. In fact, let me just tell you how many there is. Here we go, 52, 53, there's 55, 56, 56 different programs in there. And you can select from full-on colours as well. So if you want to select a colour, you can just select a colour. You can mix your own colours, and there is static colours in there as well. And how many static colours is there? Good grief, here we go. I could be clicking this button a long time. There we go. There is 38 static colours in there. So I just think that offers something a little bit different, and the cable management on that will be great. It's the Qtx Pixelator. For pricing, click the link. For liking, ring the bell and subscribe. So there you go. I just thought I'd show you, attached to a pole. Yes, our cable is down here. Well, that's a bit tidier, isn't it? Yeah, instead of the cable coming out the side. So I just think that this tube slash bar has got a use. There we go. It's a little bit different. The Pixelator.